This week, the spotlight is on the French Riviera for the 78th edition of the Cannes Film Festival. And Friuli Venezia Giulia is well represented. Among the international crowd of filmmakers and industry insiders is Alan Jones, director of Trieste Science+Fiction Festival.
Last year we had a 30% upswing in audience figures. That's not just to do with the films or the festival, it's actually to do with the periphery events that we organise. Remember the Dome, which was fantastic. So there's that. And I think I want to sort of push the audience into coming to make. We've got quite a few experimental movies on this year that perhaps is pushing the envelope more than most of the audience are expecting. But I think that's what it's all about. I'm not talking about AI. I think AI is sort of flatlined at the moment. I think we're looking at it, but I don't think it's going to be a major force for another couple of years, I don't think. I think people are still quite a bit suspicious about it. But I tell you now, because we have the most amazing star guest. This is guaranteed. I can't tell you the name, but she will win an award, and it will be the very first time that Trieste has given a prestigious award to an actress.
And she's from where?
America. So that's all I'm prepared to say at this point. But
what are the dates of the festival?
they are October the 28th to November the 3rd.